Download the app, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase you might encounter in the digital world. Download the app. We'll break down what it means and how you can use it in your everyday life. So, let's get started. Download is a verb that refers to the process of copying software, files, or data from one computer system to another, typically over the internet. An app, short for application, is a type of software that allows you to perform specific tasks on your computer, smartphone, or tablet. So, when someone says, download the app, they are instructing you to transfer a particular application from the internet onto your personal device. This is commonly done through app stores like Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS. Apps serve various purposes, from helping you navigate a city to allowing you to play games or connect with friends. You might be asked to download an app for convenience, like ordering food or shopping online; communication, such as messaging apps or email clients; entertainment, games, music, or streaming services; information, news, weather updates, or educational content. Understanding when and why to download an app can greatly enhance your digital experience. 1. Identify the app. First, know which app you need to download. It could be suggested by a friend, required for work, or found through a search. 2. Find the App Store. On your device, locate the App Store. This varies depending on your device. Google Play for Android, App Store for iOS. 3. Search for the app. Use the search function in the App Store to find the app. 4. Download and install. Click the Download, Install button. The app will automatically download and install on your device. 5. Open and use. Once installed, open the app and start using it as needed. Ensure your device has enough storage space. Check app reviews and ratings for quality assurance. Be aware of app permissions and your privacy. Some apps are free, while others may cost money. That's all for today's lesson on Download the App. We hope this video helps you navigate the digital world with more confidence. Remember, understanding these small phrases can make a big difference in your language learning journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.